Hey, hello, Ghost here once again. Another video, yes, oh yes. Third video I've done on, well, it takes me the fourth video, but one of those videos is for the main channel, yes. Well, this greeny sun come back with a vintage, a warm climate, what the freaking bastards. Well, we are getting close to this March, this spring month. Reminds me, 1st of March, St. David's Day. Yes. So yeah, anyway, 5 days from now, of the time this video goes up, will be my birthday, oh yeah. 5 days from now. Yeah, it'll be my 30th actually, 30th birthday. Got nothing planned. Not like I'll do anything, probably live stream or something. What day is the 25th anyway? What is the 25th? Calendar. Come on, so 25th will be a Monday. So yeah, 25th will be my birthday. Oh yes. Quite the thinning out of this area, I tell you, of all the trees. Well, not all the trees, mind you. So yeah. And someone's mowing again, for fuck's sake. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, whatever.